Welcome back everyone. I'm again back with some cool Web3 things, and I have spent some of my time to create this website Octagram.network, where you can create your own token or create your own cryptocurrency by just doing clicks. Alright, I'll be demonstrating about this website, how it works and how we can create your cryptocurrency without thinking about anything, just doing 2 clicks. Alright, first you have to go to octagram.network. It is octagram.network, and once you are on this page, then you have to click on this sign in with MetaMask. And as I have already logged into the MetaMask, you can see that the MetaMask address is showing here. So if you have not installed any MetaMask, then you have to install the MetaMask in the given link below, which I'll be putting down in my description. So okay, as if you have visited my previous video, you might have known that what is testnet and what is mainnet. So basically this is the network where the coin currency value is nothing, and mainnet is something where currency value means something, right? So I'll just start with testnets. So I'll be creating one token in Ropsten testnet. So let's see how it works. And if you are a newcomer and you don't know anything about it, then you need to get certain free ethers from Ropsten testnet, and you can get it from here. I have given the link here, so you can click on it and you will be able to get the free tether on your Ropsten testnet. Alright, you have to copy your address from your MetaMask. You have to copy your address, paste your address here, then you have to click on send me tether, and your request will be added to the queue. And after few minutes, let's say 10 or 20 minutes, you will be able to get all the ethers. Like they will send you like 1 ether or 0.9 ether, which will be enough for testing. Alright, and okay, let's click on this create with 0.0 eth. I will click on it, and it will automatically open up my MetaMask notification, where it will ask me to verify a transaction of 0.004 Ethereum. If you are doing it in BSC testnet, it will be 0.005 BSC. So you need to confirm. So once you will confirm the transaction, the pop-up view will open where you need to give all the information. Let's say I will give Y testnet, and symbol will be TSTN, and decimal will be 18. Total supply will be like 1 lakh. Transaction fee will be 3% of the total supply. Burn fee might be 3% of the total token supply. And this will be my owner address, which will be my MetaMask address. And I will get all these token supply into my address. So then you need to click on deploy. Then again your MetaMask notification will open up. So once your MetaMask notification is on, it will ask you to pay the gas fee to create this token. So you need to pay the gas fee, which is 0.005 ETH. You need to confirm. Alright, right now you need to wait for a certain time, let's say 1 or 2 minutes, until a green pop-up comes here. Okay, so as you can see, do not close this window if you are a novice. Alright, so you can see this green pop-up is showing here, and my contract got created, and this is my contract ID. So I just have to copy my contract ID. I need to go to MetaMask, because I got my contract ID, so I need to claim those coins into my account. So I'll go to my MetaMask, then I'll go to my assets, I'll go till the down, input token, I'll put my contract address here. It will automatically fetch the token symbol and the token decimal. I'll add this custom token. You can see all the balance has been imported to my account. So you can see 1 lakh TSTN is available in my account. So this is how you can create your own cryptocurrency using this website. It is just like matter of second, like you can just click and give all the information and deploy. That's it. Alright, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and click on the bell notification. So I'm currently working a lot on this website. Basically, I'm adding a lot of new features like creating NFTs by clicking here. Like when we will click on one button, it will generate a lot of NFTs for you, which you can automatically mint in OpenSea or any of the platforms. So we will talk more about that in later videos. And apart from that, there will be a community coming soon, and it will be launched within next week. So I hope everyone will be joining there and we can talk directly there itself. And I will be available 24/7. So feel free to connect with me. All right. Thank you. Thank you for your time and see you soon. Bye bye.